Hello everyone, I am Vijal Panigre. I am staying at Mumbai and basically I am from Odisha. Here I am working as an energy manager and today I am making Rashi Chawla Pitta. So in this dish we will use white til, which we call as Rashi, and Chawla Chuna and lot of vegetables in it. This is the roasted white til. इसको मैं ऐड कर रही हूँ इस जार में and we will make a smooth paste of it. Also in this we will add some garlics and 2 chili to make a smooth paste of it so that it will give a great taste to this dish. Here you can see I have grinded properly, and now we will add our few ingredients. Like I have chopped 1 onion, finely chopped. And then I will add this tomato. This is 1 big tomato, finely chopped. Sweet corn. It's easily available in market now. As this is the healthy dish, so I am also adding few palak. So this is the spinach leaf, which I have washed it properly and then I have chopped it finely. Now we will just mix it quick. Also we will add some corianders in this mixture to get the green color, more green color. You can see here there is no binding agent in it. So if you want to make a pitta, so in that you need some binding agents. So here I am adding 2 spoons of rice flour, two spoons of besan, now I will mix it properly. Here I will add according to your taste. You can add a salt, also little bit of turmeric. Also you can add jeera powder in it, black pepper, but right now I am not adding anything in it. But this is the optional, you can add. Now I will mix it properly, so that if I need little bit more rice flour or besan, I can add in this. So you can see now the mixture is ready. Garam masala. This is optional. If you want, you can add or you can skip it. So I am having this grill pan with me. So just on the flame. Just we will preheat this, and then we will add ghee or oil, whatever you want you can add in this, and brush it well. So here you can see I have greased it well with ghee. So now I will make a pitta of this dough, this mixture. So like this I will press it little bit. I love to use my hand while making this thing, that's why I am using it. If you want to make through spoon, that is also okay. Here we have used rice flour. so it will make this pita will be more crunchy, and also it is very healthy as we have used lot of vegetable in it and everything is healthy. So here you can see that I have just turned it to the other side, and you can see here is a very beautiful golden color is there in this pita. Make all the pita from this batter and then it's ready to serve.